Planning a move in New York City or Staten Island? Finding the right full-service movers can make all the difference. Today, I'm going to show you why hiring a full-service moving company like Allied Van Lines is the smartest way to move stress-free in the Big Apple. Full-service movers handle everything, from packing your belongings safely to loading, transporting, unloading, and even unpacking at your new home. This means no heavy lifting or packing stress for you. New York moves can be complicated: tight stairwells, busy streets, and strict building regulations. Full-service movers like Allied Van Lines have. This expertise minimizes delays and protects your valuables from damage. On average, expect to pay between $100 and $1,000 for a full-service move in New York City. Larger homes or long-distance moves cost more. Remember, extra services like fragile item packing or storage units will add to your total. A good moving company provides. This way, no surprise fees catch you off guard, and you can plan your move stress-free. Compared to other New York City movers like JP Urban Moving or Veteran Movers, Allied Van Lines focuses on delivering top-tier service at competitive prices. If you want the best full-service movers near me in New York, trust Allied Van Lines to get you moving the right way. Like, subscribe and hit the bell for more moving tips. Thanks for watching.